everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm planning to do something crazy. I have an old HP Tower desktop, which I'm planning to take all the parts out and place them in a new server rack capable computer case, just in case. Why? Because I can. What it's gonna be in the future? I'm planning to install a few hard drives in there, to install the true NAS in there, and make it as my primary NAS storage. Let's get to it. Okay, my first impression, right? This case is pretty much solid. I'm gonna put it into the server rack, which is over there. I was able to install the HP motherboard inside with no problem. The same with the power supply. The same is with the video card. Connecting wise, here's a fun part. There's a fan on the front of the case right here. And this one has Molex. My power supply has only SATA connectors and no Molex ones. I can do it redneck way, but I'd rather find the adapter to put it the right way. Another thing, I will have to buy a couple fans on the back right here because the fan from HP didn't fit. It's a little bit large. Technically, right now, I can start it up and see if it's actually working. And it's actually, I'm planning to do that, yeah. Alright, so this one is DisplayPort and the power supply. I'm just wondering whether it's gonna start at all or not. And moment of the truth. And nothing. Oh. Where's that sound? Oh. CPU cooler. No, wait. Video cooler. It's video card cooler. Needs some lubrication. Well, at least that started, okay? Which is good. Let's press the power button. Ugly noise from that video card. Oh, there you are. Okay. It did post, so which is good. You see it's yelling there is no rear fan and etc. Next thing what I'm gonna do, I think I will have to buy a couple fans in there and install the drives. And then this puppy gonna go into the server rack. Awesome. Don't forget to hit the like button and I'll see you in the next video.